Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their dreams effortlessly while others struggle? What if I told you there's a proven process, a blueprint, that can help you attract abundance, love, success, or anything else you desire? Stay with me, because today I'm breaking down the exact steps you need to manifest your dream life. The first step in any manifestation journey is clarity. You have to know exactly what you want. The universe responds to specifics, not vague wishes. Instead of saying, I want it to be rich, say, I want to earn $10,000 a month doing work I love. When you define your desires clearly, you set the foundation for success. Your emotions are like a frequency transmitter, signaling to the universe. If you constantly feel stressed, doubtful, or impatient, you're blocking your manifestations. But when you raise your vibration by practicing gratitude, visualization, or simply feeling joyful, you align yourself with your desires. The key is to feel as if your manifestation is already happening. Manifestation is not just about thinking positive thoughts. It requires action. The universe opens doors, but you have to walk through them. Listen to your intuition and take inspired action. If you feel a sudden nudge to apply for a job, start a new project, or reach out to someone, do it. These nudges are signs that the universe is guiding you. Most people block their manifestations because of doubt and impatience. If you keep checking the clock, asking, where is it? You're signaling lack instead of trust. Let go of the need to control the how and when. Manifestation works best when you surrender, trust, and stay open to opportunities. Finally, acknowledge and celebrate every sign, synchronicity, and small win along the way. When you appreciate the progress, you attract even more abundance into your life. The more you celebrate, the faster your desires will manifest. And there you have it, your manifestation blueprint. Clarity, alignment, inspired action, trust, and celebration. Master these steps and you'll transform your life. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below what you're manifesting next. Let's create the life we deserve, one thought at a time. And click the link below this video for more help with manifesting.